songs. Wayne, we the business. Baby, I don't get another sponsor. Bang, bang, bang. Salman Kweko. Nigerian breed, Asian breed. Everything I see, they make me danger.
Welcome to Univers. What's the happening?
DJ Nati.
From when I was small, I've always loved Indomie. Growing up, it has what has been keeping us going. Indomie is nice, Indomie is fresh, Indomie is so on point.
The competition will go out for me to win. And if I battle myself, masturbation is allowed. If they don't sign me, then me, I go blow myself. Then the shop has to be careful, take a clear view. I'm on a different level. You're not my industrial health, and I'm in your back to back to step it up in the bedroom.
On your bumper, pull up on your bumper. I was talking over 80, I want that, but I want that. I think I made a blunder. The way I talk about it, they make your shot, you want to want that. All these things that are getting going, I still want me. I know you go, but you're there, what they hire me. I started from the bottom down here, and you're drinking. I don't make noise, coming out. Morning, back to Gila, the Billy, my focus with prayer. I'm fully by the money making the national prayer. And I'm going to you people, man, that go back, that you might have passed on to the phone. I'm going to later. See, clearly knows someone as speaker. Then you ask your girlfriend, I mean the boss as speakers.
Ladies and gentlemen, gossip day for town.
I'm seriously excited to be here today. Thank you, Indomie, for coming to my school. I'm really, really happy. Like the whole school actually came out today for this show.
Seminar, oh yeah now. Ladies and gentlemen, gossip day for town. Them say, baby, don't get another writer. Them say, Linda Ikeji.
Since the winner, make some noise!
TikTok is Rihanna. No wonder, the boy done the silence.
I am super excited. Only me. I just want 5 cartons of Indomie pack. I am super excited. I don't know if you know that feeling. I wasn't expecting this, but somehow God did it, and I won all this. Thank you to Indomie.
Friend though, he told me about it and I just let me try my luck and finally I won. I'm so happy. God bless Indomie.
Thank you so much. Thank you, the love is crazy. I appreciate you guys.